It was more on the Industrial 4.0, digital transformation. That was the topic. I know it's a buzzword, but I think that's important to companies right now. Right, so it is a good topic to connect with. A lot of people want to know more about it. I see that's happening a lot in India. I think that's very good thing. So good topic you guys have put. Kudos to you guys. It was very good. I think a lot of different leaders from different perspective. My co-panelist members were even coming from different roles. Though one of the person I knew from past. So the good part was there is a different perspective, different industry. So getting people from shares. I think that's a good part of all these conferences. So that's the part and parcel of our job, to understand the business very fast and convert that to. So one of the big problem which I see, and with people like me from the IT, right? I come from an IT background. So what we try to do is we try to force fit a technology on a business problem. It should be other way around. We have to understand the business problem and apply technology to that. So I think one of my role model in my life, one of my bosses in past was that. So he used to always talk about business and then try to see how technology can be. I think that's the way it should be. Uh, Definitely. I think what I strongly believe. So I'm a CDO not because I have got the job. I'm the CDO because I love my job. So we were talking during the break. One of my friend has taken retirement, right? And the reason he has taken everything he has done. So and when we were talking about what he is trying to do, I realized that I'm doing the same thing right now. So am I retired? Actually, it's about enjoying your work. So you should be in IT, digital, these kind of jobs when if you enjoy it, if you have a passion for it, then you should work in this direction, right? So so I believe company pays for me my hobbies. So my hobbies are technology. So I think that's the way it should be. So I think for advice for everyone is, if you're doing something, do it because you love it, not because you're getting paid for it.